This place looked like a war zone. Glass scattered, rubble everywhere, and animals running around. It's like you losing your home. And here we are, the largest square footage and the most sophisticated facilities out of any HBCU in the country.
Each one of these buildings, in terms of the physical and the technological, are marvels. It shows resilience. It shows that the institution is focused on making a difference, having an impact.
This is exciting. This is exciting for our students and for our faculty. Personally, for me, very satisfying. We're so proud that we transformed this place.
I see human ingenuity and as well grit. With that combination, you can actually conquer anything.